In this tutorial, we will show you how to stream real-time FX, crypto, and stocks using Python. Create a file and name it stream.py. First, we import 4 libraries. Next, we set up the main configuration. This includes the WebSocket endpoint, the symbols we want live data for. This stream function opens the live connection. First, we connect to the WebSocket URL we set earlier. Then we send a JSON login message containing the action, our API key, and the preferred response format. Here, we use JSON, but the stream can also support formats like CSV and SSV. By default, we set send ladder to false. However, if you need deep market with extra bid and asked volume levels, you can switch this to true. Once logged in, the server starts streaming data. We use an async for loop to continuously listen for incoming messages. Each response arrives as raw text, which we parse into a JSON object. If the data is corrupted, we catch the error and skip it. From there, clean messages flow directly into our handler function. This block checks the message type and tick fields to understand what kind of response the server just sent us. If the message type is login OK, our connection is successfully authorized. So we respond by sending a JSON payload to subscribe to our list of target symbols, and we set send last to true. We'll see exactly what that does when we look at the live output. After the subscribe request is sent, the server sends back a subscription acknowledgement. It already includes the accepted, denied, and invalid symbols. When a live price hits our stream, we check if the tick field is quote or last quote, then pass it on to a helper function that parses the bid, ask, and volumes into a clean, human-readable line. Now that we understand the message types, our script is fully ready. To check out the tick response from the WebSocket server, we just export our API key, run python stream.py, and you'll see live rates start flowing into the terminal. As you can see on the terminal, active pairs like Eurodollar and Bitcoin are ticking away and updating constantly. But if you look down here at a less active symbol like dollar dirham, nothing is moving yet, and we might not get a fresh live tick right away. And that's exactly where send last comes in. Because we set it true, the server immediately sent over a last quote to give us the latest cached price straight away. To get the API key, head to TraderMade.com and get a 7 days trial. Link for free trial below in description. Request a trial at TraderMade.com and make sure to reply and send the trial coupon confirming your email. Now for a quick bonus, if you need market depth, normal quotes only show the best bid and ask price along with the top level volume. But if you want a deeper look at the order book, just go back to your initial login request and set send ladder to true. Once you do that, the server's response will include extra bid and ask levels behind the best price so you can see the full liquidity. If this video helps you, make sure you click the subscribe button because we will be bringing new tutorials every week.
To watch more tutorials like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.